Set a course for the space station? I don't think I can survive much longer with these yahoos.
Captain, a ship is approaching. It seems to be an animal species.
Hail them. This is Captain Williamson of the Starship Beta. We mean you no harm. We are just trying to get to the nearest space station for repairs. We are asking for you to let us through.
No answer, Captain. Wait a minute. I just did a long-range scan, and the ship isn't a ship. It's a plant cell.
Okay, Mr. Smarty Pants. How can you tell it's a plant cell?
Because, you space ignoramus. It has a boxy shape, and an animal cell doesn't have a boxy shape. Every space explorer knows that.
Commander Charles and Ensign Shanko, prepare for a rough ride. We're going in.
Aye, Captain.
That stiff covering on the outside is called the cell wall, which can only be found in a plant cell. It's right here on my sensors. It's plain as day.
Wow, that's amazing.
We are now inside of the plant cell.
This huge wall-like thing is called the cell membrane, and it controls substances that pass through the cell.
Ah, what is that?
Those are the Golgi bodies, or Golgi apparatus. Their main job is to transfer proteins out of the cell.
Oh, yes, I wasn't scared.
The jello-like stuff is called the cytoplasm, and it holds all of the parts of the cell together.
Let's move on, guys.
That looks like a big blob of, something.
That would be the vacuole. It's like a pantry or suitcase because it holds water and nutrients and sometimes wastes. A plant cell has a larger vacuole.
Hey, what's next?
The mitochondria. It's the powerhouse of the cell. Its job is to mix oxygen and nutrients, which forms energy.
Whoa, that's cool!
Cut it out, Charles.
That would be the chloroplast, which can only be found in a plant cell. It combines the sun's energy, water, and also carbon dioxide to make food in a way called photosynthesis. I'm very, very smart, even if I don't act like it.
Those bumpy red things attached to the endoplasmic reticulum are the ribosomes. They produce protein which is needed for the cell.
My sensor says that's the endoplasmic reticulum. It acts like a conveyor belt and moves the material throughout the cell.
Next up is the nuclear membrane. It controls the movement of the materials that go through the nucleus.
The most important part of the cell is the nucleus, which is right in front of us. Its job is to tell the parts of the cell when and how to carry out their orders.
Brace for impact, Captain! We're finally making our way to the end! But last but not least, the chromosomes! DNA creates genes and genes create chromosomes!
We're out of the cell. That was a great journey. Let's get out of here and head for the space station. I totally forgot.
I got it, Captain. And it's just in time because I've got to go wee-wee. And I don't want to wee-wee in this spacesuit. Freak out! Everybody freak out! Yeah, get down everybody and freak out!
Wait a minute! How can a plant cell live in space?